Welcome everyone. So today I am sharing my Christmas collab make. So this month was gift box, and guys, to be honest, it was just, I didn't know which kind of, there were so many different variations of gift box. I didn't know which type to make. And I know on this channel I've made some shaker gift boxes and some quad gift boxes, but I just didn't know which one to make, guys. So what I went with was, over Christmas I did buy a hunky-dory gingerbread house gift bag, gift box, and I never got to use it, so I thought this is it here, guys, and I thought it was a great opportunity to use it now. So I die cut all the pieces and I made this little gingerbread gift box, and I think it's so sweet and so cute. So I used the good old Amazon gift packaging. I die cut the pieces out of some pastel coloured card. I used some Nuvo drops to just give these little white pieces around the door and the windows some glitter. I don't know if you can see that, and the snow here, and it just gives it a bit of dimension and some glitter. And then I also used some glitter Nuvo drops here in the colour Emerald City. And then I had some pieces, some of these gingerbread pieces that I'd cut out for another project over Christmas, and this was the only one left, guys. So I stuck him on here, and I stamped him from a doodlebug stamp. I forgot what it's called now. Oh, and then also on the sides I cut a window, and I've used some more of that Nuvo drops so that it just gives it a bit of glitter and a bit of shine. And then I have a Christmas tree and a doodlebug little shape sprinkle here, and the Christmas tree was stamped, and then I coloured it in, and I used some, what is it called now? My mind always goes blank, guys. It's called, you know, the clear glossy accents, that's it, glossy accents on the Christmas tree here. And I just love using that because it just gives it a bit of dimension and a really finished shiny glossy look. And then I've actually put some acetate over the window and just in the door, so that whatever gets put in there doesn't fall out. And then the only sad thing was, guys, I actually die cut and paper pieced some donuts to go on here, and I've been searching high and low and I just can't find them. So that was a shame, because that I had some donuts, little die cut donuts from a little alley die that I had to put on. And then the back, I left it kind of plain. You could put a little sticky note or a little die cut tag on here just to say to and from. And then I've just used some of those foam little pieces. My mind's gone blank. I've used some of that foam snowflakes. I couldn't remember the word snowflake. Some of these snowflakes just here on the back, and they have a little bit of glitter on. So guys, this is my gift bag for my February, we're in February now, Christmas collab. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.